Guys, hello everyone, my name is Sandy, and today we will talk about RSI indicator. Literally, one of the most powerful tools in trading, and 95% of people use it completely wrong. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to use this thing from complete beginner to actual profitable trader. And stick around because I'm going to show you my signal bot that has an 88.92% win rate using RSI-based analysis. Yeah, almost 89%. We are going to cover the theory, the setup, 3 real strategies, and I'm taking a live trade using my bot by the end of this video. Let's get into it. Let's switch to my Miro board. Alright. First things, RSI stands for Relative Strength Index. Sounds fancy, but here is what it actually means in plain English. Imagine you are at a party when everyone's super hyped and euphoric, that's when things usually crash. When everyone's depressed and leaving, that's when the party's about to get good again. RSI measures market momentum from 0 to 100. So let's look to the mirror board. Above 70. Yeah, above 70, it means it overbought. Everyone's too excited and price might drop. So RSI move above 70, it's overbought and price might drop in future. Kind of like this. Next one is below 30, oversold zone. Everyone looks scared and price might rise. And the last one, 50, neutral zone. Market is quite balanced. Here you see neutral and overbought. Here is the thing most beginners get wrong. They think overbought, yeah, here equals sell immediately, and oversold equals buy immediately. So it's quite strange and quite wrong. That's how you will lose your money. And look here carefully. In uptrend, RSI can stay overbought for days, and in downtrend, it can stay oversold forever. You need context. Look here carefully. So I will show. Here, we see overbought zone. Here, quite long oversold zone for 2 or 3 days. And here it is. I will use a red one. Oversold zone. Here overbought zone. Here is oversold zone. So let's go to the platform. Okay, I'm on poker options right now. I use my real account. You can see it. Yeah, my real account. I can refresh the page as many times as you want. So here it is. Then you need to choose indicators and choose RSI, Relative Strength Index. Default settings is 14 period. That's perfect for binary options and short-term trading. Don't overthink, leave it all 14. So this is separate window at the bottom. That's your RSI. Notice the 70 line, the 30 line, and the 50 middle line. Now here is a pro tip most people don't know. I like to color code my zones, make the overbought zone visually distinct from oversold. It will help your brain process faster when you are in a live trade. So let's go choose styles. Let's make main line 3 pixels thick and white color. 70 I will make red one, 2 pixels thick, middle gray 2 pixels thick, and the 30 is oversold zone, green 2 pixels thick. So now we are ready. Some people add multiply RSI periods like RSI 9 and RSI 14 together, but honestly, for beginners, stick with one. You need to master one tool before you complicate some things. So now I want to tell you about 3 ways I actually use RSI to make money. Not theory, just real strategies I use every single day. Give me a short amount of time, I will find the current pair and explain first strategy. The first strategy is extreme zones with trend, the bread and butter. This is the simplest but most profitable. Look at the chart right now. Yeah? See RSI. It's moving down with price. I will draw. I will use pen. Here we see a price drop. It's moving down. And our RSI is moving down too. That's normal. That's what it's supposed to do. But here what I am looking for. When RSI hits the extreme zones, like below 30 or above 70, that's when you need and I pay attention. But I don't trade immediately. Right now, let's say we are in a downtrend. Yeah, price is dropping. RSI is dropping with it. It's normal. But watch what happens when RSI gets below 30. This is oversold territory, like just here. This is oversold. Oversold. Yeah. The selling is getting exhausted. Now I wait for the first sign of reversal on price. This can be a green candle, a rejection wick, anything. So here we can see a green candle. Huge green candle. And that's my call signal for a quick scalp. So now I'd like to open a I would like to open a trade, buy a trade for 5 minutes. So let's wait how it will close. So that's it. We earned $252. Yeah, I used one overlap, but everything has happened, so everything can happen. And here I saw and I used theory that I told you, and you can see a live trade that I opened a deal too high, and then we saw pullback, and then the price start rising again. So I used overlap, yeah, and in total I made $252. So the next strategy will be, I call it the middle cross or momentum shift. This one's even simpler than previous. Forget 30 and 70 for a second. For your convenience, I will disable it. I will disable 17, 70 and 30. So here it is. Now I need to find the currency pair to show you how it works. Oh yeah, this is a good one, I suppose. I want to find yeah, here is a good example. So now what do we see? When price when price is going down, you can see here, price going down, and RSI is moving down with it. Everything is bearish, but watch it with this. If RSI crosses above 50, that if RSI crosses below 50 from above, momentum shifting to bears. So this is our put option. I will set for example 5 minutes, like, and 300 for sell. So, and the opposite scenario, if we have, I will draw again. So imagine that this is green candles and price is rising and RSI is rising too. So, for example, it all goes like this, or maybe like it will be totally opposite. It all goes like this. This is the moment where momentum is shifting, and it will be our buy option. So there it is, here it is. So now we need to just wait when the deal will close. I will set lower time frame to watch carefully for during the deal. And without any overlaps, I close deal with a profit again. So, and I will turn on 70 and 30 levels. And I want to tell you about the last one. I call it RSI rejection. This one nobody talks about, but it's real gold. Okay. Let's say, yeah, I will draw. Let's say, for example, I'm sorry. RSI is moving toward the 70 zone in an uptrend. So here we have an uptrend. Yeah, uptrend, for example, in future. It gets to, let's say, 65, yeah, here, 65, 68, but then it rejects, and it's going down. Not like this, but it will be like this moving, and in this moment, it doesn't break 70, it turns back down. That rejection shows me the bulls tried to push but failed. If price is still going up but RSI rejected the overbought zone, that's a hidden weakness. I take a put option here. Here you need to sell. Yeah. Because I know the momentum is dying even though price hasn't shown it yet. Same in reverse. If RSI drops, let me refresh. If, for example, RSI drops to 32, yeah, or 32, 35 levels in a downward price movement, then rejects back. The bears tried to push lower but failed. Even if price is still dropping, that RSI rejection tells me buyers are stepping in. This is our call signal for buying. This is advanced, but once you see it a few times, you'll spot it everywhere. You know, the beauty of these three strategies, they work on any chart, anytime, OTC or financial market. You don't need to hunt for perfect setups. Just watch RSI, wait for your zone, and let the pattern come to you. Alright, now let me show you something cool. I use RSI analysis, but also I built with my team a signal bot that does it automatically. So I will open. Yeah, here is my channel. You can subscribe. It's totally free. You can use it. Also, my bot is totally free. This is X-ray signals. I've got two modes here. So manual mode, X-ray signals. I pick the pair I want. For example, Australian dollar, Canadian dollar. Australian dollar and Canadian dollar. See, it just gave me a signal. It showed me the direction, expiry time, the reasoning based on RSI, ADX, CCI, and different amount of indicators in total. More than 100 indicators. Announced plus trend confirmation. But here is the crazy part. I also have X-ray auto signals. And this is fully automated. The AI scans all pairs and only sends signals when multiple confirmations align. Let me show you the stats. I will use in the bot. You can type statistic. And you can see all-time performance, 19,058 profit trades, 2,396 loss trades, 88.92% win rate, almost 89% win rate. This isn't theory. This is a live performance over thousands of trades. Okay, I'm going to take this signal from the manual mode right now. Yeah, I will use it for Australian dollar, Canadian dollar again. Buy for 5 minutes. Okay, let's open the deal. And let's wait. So that's it. Yeah, I want to be honest with you, and okay, we took a lot there. That's trading. Even with 89% win rate, you still get losses. It's all about consistency over time, not every single trade, yeah? That's why the sample size of 19,000 winning trades matters. It's proven over time. So before we wrap up, let me give you these 3 biggest RSI mistakes I see beginners make. First of all, mistake number 1. Come on to draw. Mistake number 1. Trading every oversold, overbought signal. Don't. You'll get chopped up. Wait for confirmation. Mistake number 2. Ignoring the trend. RSI in isolation equals useless. Always check, am I in uptrend or downtrend or in range? And the last one, mistake number 3. Using it on choppy, low volume markets. RSI works best when there is clear momentum. Don't use it in dead markets at 3 AM when nobody's trading. Avoid this and you are already better than most. Alright, that's it. You know, RSI better than... Now you know RSI better than 95% of traders. If you want the cheat code, my X-ray signals bot with a high win rate link in the description. You can start it with the manual signals, with auto signals, everything you want. It's totally free. You don't need to pay. I just want to improve community to create the best community of traders ever. Hit subscribe if you want more strategies like this. Drop a comment if you have questions, I actually respond. And if you are serious about making money with poker option, this is just the beginning.
X-Trader.